Hi, so in this exercise, I'll be showing you how to create a chart field. And this is a continuation from our previous video explaining how to add the reports to a form, right? So let us go to the laboratory and let's go to Studio. There's quite a few ways of doing it. So you can open the Needs IT application that we've been working on. And as we drill down, right? So let's open the application. So you can either do it here, right? And you can see here there's a default view that we have already created, or do it in the UI 16, right? So they're going to give you both the same outcomes depending on your preference. And if you'll be doing it here, right? For example, let's move to the need IT and let's go to all which is open, right? So let's drill down to one of the records. And if you go to the hamburger on the top left, configure and form design, right? So make sure you are on the default view. And once this is loaded, and you'll see here that it's already encapsulated inside the Need IT application. And this is the default view. Now let's go back to the tutorial, and it's asking us to add a new field of data type chart. So let's scroll down further and do it one at a time. So let's move to the form design. So field type, and it says chart. So you could look for it. I'm a search person, so this is chart. And let's make sure we're going to drag it correctly to the right place. So it's saying to drag it below the description field. So let's do that. So the description field is, so let's do Control F. So there's a description field there, you see. So let's grab the chart, and easily now we have the chart type added below the description. And it's asking us to configure, right? This gear icon is to configure and label it as active need IT by type. So let's copy that to make our life easier and go to the properties. This is the gear icon here. So as we click that, so let's paste it and close it right after closing, and we get to save it. So just to basically reaffirm that we've done it correctly, so go to the gear icon so you can see the title or the label is automatically saved already. Okay, so let's go back to the steps and move to the next exercise or procedure. Let's go to the form itself, and as you can see, it's not yet been added, but if we do a refresh, right? So let's do a refresh here, reload the form. What I did is I right click on the header, right? It should show, right? So I think there's some slowness, and let me do a refresh in the browser. So as we scroll down now, it's basically showing the form, and let's configure the charts. So it's asking us to basically put the report name. So this is the report name. So let's copy this, right? So let's copy, and I would like to test it first if it's there. So instead of doing that, you could test it, right? So I think this is correct. So just to double check this backspace. So it should show somewhere, right? Or let's do that. And so basically we need to make sure that it is there. Active need IT. So it's not showing. So let's say need IT. So okay, so I think this is the correct one. It's how we named it earlier during the exercise. So let's save it, and this should work. And after saving it, the report should basically show as we go back to it. So save it stays on the form, update will take you back, and you can see a report is already been added successfully in the form. And earlier we basically had the drill down configuration. So as you can see, it's working as expected. So if we go back a record, so let's go. And now we're back to the form. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.